Once upon a time, there was a very curious little star who lived shining in the sky. She looked at the vast space and kept wondering, what is this huge place around me? What is the universe? One day, she decided to go on a journey to find out. She floated through the sky until she met planet Earth. "Hi, planet Earth," said the little star. "I'm very small and live up here in the sky. But I always wonder, what is the universe?" Planet Earth smiled and replied in a calm voice. "Hi, little star. The universe is everything around us. It's the place where stars, planets, the sun, the moon, and even you are. It's huge, immense, and filled with incredible things." The little star was amazed. She didn't know the universe was so big. But does the universe have an end? She asked, full of curiosity. Planet Earth thought for a moment and said, "The universe is so big that no one really knows if it has an end. It's always expanding, getting bigger and bigger. And it has billions of stars, planets, and even other things we can't see." At that moment, the moon appeared, floating gently with a sweet smile. "I live in the universe too. You know," said the moon. "I love looking at the stars and seeing the universe shine at night. The most interesting thing is that the universe never stops changing. There's always something new to discover." The little star got even more excited. She wanted to know everything about this magical place. Then, the sun, with its strong and warm light, appeared in the sky. "Hello, everyone. I'm the sun, and I live in the solar system. The universe is full of stars like me, but each one is different. The most amazing thing is that the universe never stops growing. It's always expanding, getting bigger every second." The little star looked at the sun, impressed. She didn't know the universe was always changing and getting bigger. It was a place full of mysteries and wonders. "The universe is really incredible," she said, her eyes sparkling. "I never imagined it was so grand." Planet Earth smiled again and spoke kindly. "The universe is very big, little star, but it's also very special. Even though it's so immense, it teaches us to take care of our home, our planet. Earth is unique, and we must take care of it because it's our part of the universe." The little star thought for a moment and agreed. "Yes, now I understand. The universe is full of wonderful things, but Earth is our home, and we're here to take care of it with great love." And so, the little star, the moon, the sun, and planet Earth all looked together at the vast universe, knowing that, even though it was infinite and mysterious, the most important thing was to take care of everything that is part of it. The little star felt happy and more curious than ever. She knew that despite her small light, she was part of something much bigger and very special. The universe was a magical place, and everyone had their place in it.